Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to do a DIY video on the seat covers that I have from Sahara Seats. So you all know I have a Himalayan BS6 and I got the seat covers for my seat because well touring is what I do, and these seat covers make my touring very simple. Sahara Seats is actually well known for making their seat covers as well as custom seats that they do for various bikes in the market. So I'll put the link in the description box below. You guys can check it out from there. So without further ado, let me take you guys on the DIY that I did for my seats that I put the seat covers on. So without, delaying all this, let's go to the video and let's do the DIY, shall we? See you guys there. Hey guys, I hope you guys like this video. If you did, give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and always be safe, wear a mask, and remember, write, inspire, repeat. That's my slogan. Remember that. That's the new hashtag. Use that hashtag. Follow me on Instagram if you have not followed yet, because I put all the stories, live videos, you name it. A lot of new subscribers that are there. Please subscribe करो चैनल के ऊपर, Instagram पे follow करो, so that you guys don't miss out on a lot of updates. So with that said, this is the Bawa signing off. Thanks guys for watching.